Did you know that an NFT was bought for $91.8 million? Ready to sell your own NFT? At the end of this video, we'll show you how to do it step by step. Don't miss it. You're on the Jelvix channel, Tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. First, let's refresh the memory of what the NFT is. In simple words, NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a wordy way of saying non-replaceable or one of a kind. They make digital items rare and so valuable. An NFT represents ownership of a particular file or item, such as artwork, videos, in-game items, and even real estate stored on the blockchain. Your journey to selling an NFT starts with choosing a platform. Let's take a look at some platforms and what they offer to NFT sellers. OpenSea is the world's largest digital marketplace for buying and selling NFTs, including crypto art, game items, and exclusive digital collectibles. It supports two popular NFT standards, ERC 721 and ERC 1155 tokens. The trading fees of OpenSea are 2.5%, which means you'll get a little less than what you sell your NFT for. For example, if you sell an NFT for $100, you'll get $97.50, and OpenSea will keep $2.50. By the way, have you ever bought NFTs? Share in the comments section. Rarible is another digital marketplace where NFT owners can put their digital assets up for sale. The platform accepts various tokens across categories, including music, arts, videos, and domain names. When it comes to fees, Rarible works similar to OpenSea, taking 2.5%. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has its own NFT marketplace as well. Binance's NFT platform lets you sell non-fungible tokens from various categories, including art, sports, collectibles, entertainment, and gaming. Binance charges a flat 1% trading fee for all NFT creators and sellers, which is the lowest in the market. If you want to know more about creating your own cryptocurrency, check out the article we have prepared. The link is in the description. Now that you know the leading NFT marketplaces, let's discuss how to sell NFT step by step. Your first step is selecting the right NFT marketplace. And once you've chosen the marketplace you want to use, link your funded cryptocurrency wallet, select the Mint as NFT option, and upload your digital file. Each marketplace's process will differ slightly, but most allow you to create an NFT with a few clicks. Once you've created your NFT, you'll be presented with the option to list for sale on the marketplace. Click on the Sell button and follow the prompts. Here you'll be able to provide details on the transaction, such as the price or auction time limit, and the cryptocurrencies NFT buyers can use to pay you. Once you complete the listing, your NFT is available for purchase on the marketplace. Although you can transfer and sell your NFTs on other marketplaces, it might cost extra fees. You can manage your NFT listing, but making changes or removing the listing might incur another fee. Selling an NFT is easier than it might seem. At first glance, it might look incredibly complicated to deal with an NFT. While there are many things to keep in mind, the process isn't bad once you've done your research and diligence. Have you already had experience in NFT selling? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.